In this video, we will discuss AUX relay settings in the DS7 touchscreen. Begin by pressing the menu button at the top right of the screen. Select Equipment Settings. Then select the AUX relay you would like to adjust. Here you can change the displayed icon. Change the button behavior to toggle or momentary. And choose whether to show or hide the AUX button in the home screen. Press the home button in the top left corner of the screen to exit the menu and return to the home screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.